What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys the easiest, cheapest and fastest way to paint over any colour, and I mean literally any colour, in just 2 coats with no undercoat. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we've got some nice ugly walls here behind me. I can't tell if it's purple or pink. I'm going blind looking at it. The product that we're going to be using today is Dulux Super Hide. Now, a lot of people overlook this product simply because it initially looks like it's more expensive to use. A 15 litre, this one here is a 10, 15 litre drum will cost you, if you buy it at Bunnings anyway, about $330, which sounds like a hell of a lot of money. But when you compare it to using an undercoating system, meaning you put an undercoat on, followed by 2 to 3 coats depending on the colour of actual paint, this one here actually works out cheaper, easier, faster, and it's going to save you a lot of time and money. So we've got the walls here. I'm going to have 2 side by side. I'll paint this one here in 2 coats so we can compare it side by side. You'll see all the coverage straight away. I'll show you guys just how thick and creamy this product here is. Really nice to work with. I'll get some to run and you can see there it is nice, thick and creamy. I really like using this product. It honestly is one of the best products out there. Super hide indeed. It'll cover perfectly after 2 coats. So I'm going to keep you guys at a bit of a distance initially. I'll cut this one here in, roll it in, and then I'll bring you guys in a bit closer and show you what kind of a finish we get on our first coat. Then I'll go through to the second coat and we can compare them literally side by side. So now we've got everything cut in, we're going to start rolling. I'm using my little jumbo roller here, which I absolutely love for big walls, big open spaces. I use this 460 roller, makes life so much easier. So once the first coat's complete, you can see now it's a little bit more patchy because everything is dried off, so it makes it a lot more obvious. But this is what it's looking like after 1 coat. Now just for comparison here, we've got no coats, 1 coat, and if you have a look here, that's 2 coats. So if we have a look at them all 3 side by side, that's what it ends up looking like. Original blinding purple pink walls, first coat, second coat. Awesome coverage just in 1 coat. We're going to give it 1 more now, tie it all in nicely, and then I'm going to just finish it off with this left side as well. So now we've got the second coat complete and we've got an awesome finish right there simply by using this product. We've got 2 coats, no undercoat needed. We've gone from an ugly purple blinding wall into a nice crisp color, and we've got an awesome transformation there. So this product here is going to save you guys a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of effort, nice and simple. Do it right the first time, spend that little bit extra and get Dulux Super Hide, and it's going to make your life so much easier. I'm going to quickly paint this side here and then I'll show you guys the finished product. And after 2 coats of paint, we've gone from an ugly, dark, hideous colour back to a nice, light, neutral colour with no undercoat needed. This is going to save you guys a lot of time and a lot of money. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching. Bill's out too.